In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a DocuSign document. Whether you're preparing an important contract or simply need to get approvals, DocuSign is a fantastic tool for adding electronic signatures to your documents. Let's dive in and explore how you can create your own DocuSign document with ease. To begin, navigate to your homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice two key options: Start or Agreements. If you click on either one, you'll then choose Start Now. It's designed to be as intuitive as possible, providing you with a streamlined process so you can get up and running quickly. Next, it's time to upload the documents from your computer. This is where you'll select the files you need signed. Ensure your documents are in the correct file format, such as PDF or Word, to avoid any hiccups. Drag and drop them into the upload area or use the Browse function if that's more convenient for you. This part is quite user-friendly and straightforward. Just make sure everything you need to be signed is included in these files. Moving on, you'll want to enter the recipient's name and email address. DocuSign will use this information to send out the document for signature. There's also an option for adding an email subject and a personal message, a helpful touch if you'd like to provide any context or instructions for the recipient. After setting up this information, click Next to proceed. In the next step, you'll focus on the signing fields. Under Standard Fields, you'll find options such as signatures, initials, date, and more. Drag these fields onto the document where you need them. Place them carefully where your signers need to provide information or signatures. This step allows you to fully customize the signing process to suit your document's needs. Take your time here to ensure everything is just right. It will save you hassle later on. Once you've placed all the necessary fields, the final step is to review everything one more time. Double-check that you've incorporated all signatures, initials, and necessary details in the correct spots. When you're confident it's ready, go ahead and click Send. DocuSign will then take over, emailing the document to the recipients you've specified. From here, they can open the document and begin the signing process with just a few clicks. And there you have it. You've successfully created a DocuSign document. By following these steps, you've tapped into the power of electronic signatures, simplifying the signing process and making it more efficient for everyone involved. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your way through creating a DocuSign document. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy signing!